84 percentage, 1121.
Myo itself means what? Muscle. It is going to form the skeleton. अगर आपने ये सीख लिया है, if you have learned this one here, my friend, now everything else will be derived from where? Yes, dump it. 3. So axial skeleton is formed by sclerotum, and myotome is the one which is going to form the muscles, and it is going to form mainly the skeletal muscles. So in our body, we have 3 types of muscles: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle, and they are going to form the skeletal muscle. I hope you did not forget the sequence here. What have we learned? Okay, we are learning about the intra-embryonic mesoderm. Intra-embryonic mesoderm is divided into how many parts? 3. Out of the 3 parts, first I told you what, remember? Intermediate mesoderm. It is going to be neurovascular. अगर अपन करते हैं now deal with the paraxylene. Axial mesoderm is interdivided into somatic. So very important from your prof exams. They would ask you what is about the somatic. So somatic mesoderm has 3 parts. One is dermatome, and then sclerotome, and then myotome. Derma, it is in the word itself. It is going to form dermis of back of the body. Sclero, you remember skeleton. Skeleton. Sclerotome is going to form your axial skeleton. And myo itself means what? Muscle. It is going to form the skeleton. अगर आपने ये सीख लिया है, if you have learned this one here, my friend, now everything else will be derived from where? Yes, dump it into the ladle. ये होता है करने का तरीका. That is the way how you observe it. Okay. So all the remaining things from here will be derived from the ladle. So what do you mean by all the remaining things here? Well, okay, number one, dermis of front of the body. Dermis of front of the body will be derived from where? Ladle blade disorder. Then appendicular skeleton is left out. It is derived from where? Ladle blade disorder. And then smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are left from here. That is derived from ladle blade disorder. ये होता है appendicular. Are you understanding my difference? Are the things becoming easier for you guys? So everything else will be derived from the lateral blade disorder. But there is a catch here. अब आपको लग रहा होगा ओह ये तो इतना आसान हो गया. The moment one thing is made easy, another thing will be ready here in an okay. So let us go in depth right now. There is a small catch here. Okay? Are you interested in learning a little bit in depth? Shall we go a little bit in depth right now? Now, in this diagram, अगर आप, so this topic is very easy. Thank you. Now, in this diagram, अगर आप यहाँ पर lateral blade mesoderm को ध्यान से देखोगे, if you observe this very carefully there, it's again divided into 2 layers. Okay, I hope you're able to see one layer here. Okay, and I hope you're able to see like one more layer over here. It is divided into 2 layers, and this is divided into 2 layers with the help of a cavity in the middle, and this cavity, very carefully there, it's again divided into 2 layers. Okay, I hope you're able to see one layer here. Okay, and I hope you're able to see like one more layer over here. It is divided into 2 layers, and this is divided into 2 layers with the help of a cavity in the middle, and this cavity in the middle is of course coelom, and that coelom will be the intra-embryonic coelom. That coelom will be intra-embryonic coelom. जैसे हमने second week में पढ़ा था extra-embryonic coelom करके. Similarly, this one is intra-embryonic coelom. Are you getting point here? So because of the intra-embryonic coelom, the lateral blade mesoderm is again divided into how many layers? It is divided into 2 layers. Okay, and now this layer which is along with ectoderm, this layer which is along with ectoderm, that is known as somatoguric. I told you the word somato refers to the body wall, but it's present along with the body wall, along with the ectoderm. The layer present along with the ectoderm will be somatoguric lateral blade mesoderm, and this layer which is present along with the endoderm, the endoderm के साथ में towards the organs, that is planktoguric. That is planktoguric lateral blade mesoderm. Are you understanding?
Ectoderm की तरफ.
But it's present along with the body wall, along with the ectoderm. The layer present along with the ectoderm will be somatoguric lateral blade mesoderm, and the intra-embryonic coelom, the lateral blade mesoderm is again divided into how many layers? It is divided into 2 layers. Okay, and now this layer which is along with ectoderm, this layer which is along with ectoderm, that is known as somatoguric. I told you the word somato refers to the body wall. It is present along with the body wall, along with the ectoderm. The layer present
Body wall is the ectoderm, yes.
along with the ectoderm will be somatoguric lateral blade mesoderm, and this layer which is present along with the endoderm के साथ में towards the organs, that is planktoguric. That is planktoguric lateral blade mesoderm. Are you understanding? Now please don't get confused with somatoguric and planktoguric. We learned in second week. You can turn the pages back and see in the second week. We have learned it, but that is somatoguric and planktoguric extra-embryonic mesoderm, and this one is somatoguric and planktoguric lateral blade mesoderm. It is not extra-embryonic mesoderm. It is lateral blade mesoderm. I hope I'm not confusing you. That was in second week. Now this is actually in the third week right now. वो second week में था और ये third week. ठीक है? तो एक बार दोबारा कर लेते हैं. Now we are going to learn about the lateral blade mesoderm, and lateral blade mesoderm is interdivided into how many layers? 2 layers. Okay, चलिए अब हम बढ़ते हैं आगे in our diagram. In our simple diagram. तो अब हम इसको ना एक बार दोबारा ड्रॉ करते हैं. I am done with the intermediate mesoderm. I am done with the paraxial mesoderm. Now we are working out on the lateral blade mesoderm. ठीक है? So I'm going to use the same colors again here, my friends. Ectoderm here, and this one here will be the endoderm here, and then in the middle here
No thumb.
And how it is divided into 2 layers here? It is divided into 2 layers with the help of a coelom in the middle here. And this coelom will be referred to as intra-embryonic coelom. Intra-embryonic coelom inside the embryo. And this layer which is present along with ectoderm, somatopleuric, lateral plate mesoderm. And this layer which is along with the endoderm, this one will be the splanchno. So this one here will be the splanchnopluric lateral plate mesoderm. Okay. So intra-embryonic coelom is divided into 2 layers there. पहले आप आराम से इनके नाम याद करिए, ठीक है? Somatopleuric lateral plate mesoderm. Somato is always representing what? It is representing the body wall. तो ये ectoderm के साथ में होगा. और splanchno is representing the viscera, visceral organs. ये endoderm के साथ में. चलिए. अगर आप ये सीख लिया है, now let us see the derivatives. अब यहाँ से फॉर्म क्या होगा? I'm telling you in a very conceptual manner, my dear friends. Embryology का नाम सुनते ही बहुत सारे students actually क्या होते हैं ना? They'll be having a phobia. Or your embryology बहुत difficult है. But exactly contrary to that, opposite to that, I'm telling you, embryology is actually very conceptual. It's all about understanding in that manner, approaching the topic in that manner. तो उसी तरीके से मैं आपको यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ. I'm telling you in the same manner, dear my dear friends. So please follow. Okay. Now, intra-embryonic coelom क्या form करेगा? थोड़ा common sense लगाओ ना. Apply a little bit common sense. Intra-embryonic coelom, coelom means cavity. It is going to form what? It should form the cavities present inside our body. Come on, doctor, सोचिए. Don't wait this for me. अच्छा हम सर हमको बताएंगे, हम इसको नोट डाउन कर लेंगे, बाद में रट्टा मारेंगे. Please change that conventional method of study. वो स्कूल डेज वाला मेथड आप यहाँ पर छोड़ दीजिए अभी ना. कि सर बताएंगे, हम नोट्स में लिखेंगे, क्लास के बाद में रट्टा मारेंगे. Try to think about that one. Intra-embryonic coelom मतलब जो एम्ब्रियो के अंदर है. And it has to form the cavities present inside our body.
GIT.
Not tell me inside your body and my body. Surround in the pericardium cavity. Surrounding the lungs, pleural cavity, and then the abdominal organs surrounding the viscera. You'll be having peritoneal cavity. तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो मेनली जो कैविटी, यस डॉक्टर अनिश, वेरी नाइस. तो पेरिकार्डियल कैविटी, प्लूरल कैविटी एंड पेरिटोनियल कैविटी, ये कैविटीज कहां से फॉर्म होनी चाहिए? दे शुड बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम वेयर? ऑफ कोर्स इंट्रा-एम्ब्रियोनिक सीलोम. तो इंट्रा-एम्ब्रियोनिक सीलोम इट इज द वन व्हिच इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म ऑल द कैविटीज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बॉडी. नाम में लिखा है इंट्रा-एम्ब्रियोनिक सीलोम. ओके, सो इट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म द प्लूरल, then it is going to form the pericardium and peritoneal cavity, and it is going to form peritoneal cavity. That's all. Already this was even asked in the NEET exam also. So these cavities are derived from this, and the answer is intra-embryonic coelom. No need to mug up, नाम में लिखा है intra-embryonic coelom. अपने बॉडी के अंदर की cavities form करेंगे. Now right from school days, I think you have learned in your 11th and 12th standard also that all these cavities are surrounded by 2 layers. Outer one will be parietal, inner one will be visceral. For example, like pleura. Pleura has got like 2 layers. Parietal pleura, visceral pleura. Peritoneum has got like 2 layers. Parietal peritoneum, visceral peritoneum. Now you apply common sense and tell me, parietal layer, the outer one, which is along with the body wall, they should be derived from where? All the parietal layers should be derived from the somatopleuric lateral plate disorder. All the parietal, I'm just writing in general parietal layers. Wow. Are you observing this, how the topic is becoming easy for you now? So parietal peritoneum, parietal pericardium, and then parietal pleura, everything, all the parietal layers are derived from somatopleuric. क्योंकि वो outer है, body wall के साथ में, ectoderm के साथ में. And then all the visceral layers are derived from splanchnopluric lateral plate mesoderm. So visceral pleura, visceral pericardium, the visceral peritoneum, all these are derived from the splanchnopluric lateral plate mesoderm. Crystal clear concept. Okay, itna आसान है. Now, once you are done with this one, don't forget our planning here. I told you very clearly, all these structures are derived from paraxial mesoderm, from the somites, and whatever is left out, you have to be derived from. It has to be derived from lateral plate mesoderm. Now we are learning about what? Lateral plate mesoderm here. So please write down here one by one. चलिए देखते हैं. Apply common sense here. I don't have to teach you anything here. Just apply common sense here, my dear friends. Yes, come on. Dermis of the back is derived from paraxial mesoderm. So dermis of the front of the body will be derived from lateral plate. But now what is the funga? The funga is we are having 2 types of lateral plate mesoderm. One is somatopleuric and splanchnopluric. From that time I'm continuously teaching you here. Let me test whether you are with me or not. अब आप मुझे बताइए dermis. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ना सोचने का तरीका. How should you think?
Ectoderm.
तो dermis वाला अगर part है, so it should be derived from somatopleuric or splanchnopluric.
Somatopleuric.
Dermis of the front of the body. It should be derived from somatopleuric or splanchnopluric. Lovely. That's really nice. It should be derived from somatopleuric. How are you able to tell that man? Very good. Very nice. How are you able to say that man? देखो मैं पढ़ाने से पहले before I'm teaching you itself you are able to answer that too in embryology. ठीक है ना? So embryology बड़ा आसान है sir.
Thank you.
Because it is along with the body. Very nice. So it is going to form the dermis, and that too dermis of front of the body. Done. The next is we are done with the dermis. The next is axial skeleton. Axial skeleton is derived from paraxial mesoderm, somites. Now what is left of appendicular skeleton? And that appendicular skeleton will also be derived from somatopleuric. मतलब आपके upper limb और lower limb में जो bones हैं appendicular skeleton कहते हैं और ये कहाँ से फॉर्म होते हैं? They are formed from somatopleuric lateral plate mesoderm. also it is going to form your cardiac muscles. So smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are derived from
Smooth cardiac muscles.
splenomedullary lateral plate mesoderm. Splenomedullary lateral plate mesoderm. Okay. So my dear doctors, today I have made you perfect here with the derivatives of the mesoderm in a very very conceptual manner. We have learned all the mesoderm से क्या क्या form होता है बड़े conceptual manner से हमने यहाँ सीख लिया. तो अगर आपसे आपको पूछेगा कोई, if someone asks you, humerus bone is derived from where? Humerus bone कहाँ से form होती है?
Humerus
थोड़ा सा दिमाग
bone.
लगाइए. Humerus
Appendicular skeleton. So splenomedullary mesoderm.
belongs to which one? Appendicular skeleton. And appendicular skeleton means it should be derived from somatouric lateral plate mesoderm. Answer created like
Appendicular skeleton. अच्छा ये चीज़ याद करनी है. पैरेक्सियल हमारा सोमेटोप्लूरिक होगा. हाँ एक्सियल स्केलेटन का क्या था? स्क्लेरोटोम. फॉर्म्स द एक्सियल स्केलेटन. अच्छा मुझे पहले ये याद करने पड़ेंगे. इनका कुछ है नहीं. स्केलेटल मसल्स मायोटोम है. स्केलेटल मसल्स करेंगे. स्क्लेरोटोम है तो एक्सियल करेगा. मैं कहाँ था? इनके चक्कर में पड़ जाता हूँ. Yes.
answer created is like perfect one. Tibia and fibula.
Appendicular
अगर आपसे
skeleton.
आपको
Axial
पूछेगा कोई,
skeleton है स्क्लेरोटोम से. Appendicular का कुछ बताया नहीं सर. सोमेटो. हाँ सोमेटोप्लूरिक क्योंकि पैराइटल लेयर्स बाहर की लेयर्स होती हैं. राइट होगा एक बार और समझ लेते हैं.
and it is going to form peritoneal
एक्स्ट्रा.
already कोई आंसर नहीं दिया तो कैपिटल लाइक है आंसर इसमें कर दिया तो पूरी तो मतलब नाम ही है सिंपल सी अपने बड़ी कैपिटल फॉर्म तो राइट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स आई थिंक अगर लेवल पर सर also all this happening is already clear how the one you die in a revision for example two are already clear I can do this I can do that clear I can do this but what I want to tell you I can live out which is wrong with the body they could be all the critical layers should be there so I don't uric legal all the critical study in the spectrum so I'm going to talk about the so critical layers
fluid
So visceral pleura, visceral pericardium, the visceral perineum, all these are there from the splanchnic fluid crystal clear. Okay, now once you're done with this one, don't forget outlining here. I put it very quickly. All these structures are derived from axial mesoderm, from somatic, and whatever is left, you have to be derived from, it has to be derived from lateral mesoderm. Now we're talking about what? Lateral mesoderm. If I don't give one option, take it. अब एक कौन सा है? I don't know if it's just like option. Yes, no. Dermis of the back.
somatofluid.
So dermis of the front of the body. We have a little bit. But no, otherwise we have two types of lateral mesoderm. Somatofluid, somatofluid. From that time I'm reading you. Let me. So it should be derived from somatofluid or somatofluid. Dermis of the front of the body. It should be derived from somatofluid or somatofluid. Lovely, that's really nice. It should be derived from somatofluid. How are you, Nikhil? Very good, very nice. How are you, Nikhil? देखो मैं 40 सेकंड I'm teaching you itself, you will answer 2 embryos. So it's आसान है sir. Because it's long enough body. Very nice. So it is going to form the dermis. And that to dermis of front of the body. The next is get under dermis. The next is axial skeleton. Axial skeleton is derived from axial mesoderm, somates. Now what is left of appendicular skeleton? And the appendicular skeleton is also derived from somato. मतलब आपके upper limb और lower limb में जो bones है, appendicular skeleton कहते हैं. और ये कहाँ से form होते हैं? They are formed from somatofluid skeleton. Somatofluid skeleton. Okay. Cavity का already finish कर दिया है यहाँ पर. Now what about the muscles?
Somatofluid
Skeleton was already done. So muscle fiber. अब muscles कहाँ? They are part of viscera of the body wall. They are part of viscera only. So therefore, the visceral one, the cardiac one, are derived from splanchnic fluid crystal. Splanchnic fluid crystal. Okay. So my dear doctors, today I have made you perfect here with the derivatives of the mesoderm in a very, very conceptual manner. We have learned all the mesoderm से क्या क्या फॉर्म होता है बड़े conceptual manner से हमने यहाँ सीख लिया है. तो अगर आपसे आपको पूछेगा कोई, if someone asks you, humerus bone is derived from where? Humerus bone कहाँ से फॉर्म होती है? तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए. Humerus belongs to which one? Appendicular skeleton. And appendicular skeleton means it should be derived from somatofluid lateral plate. Answer created like perfect. Tibia and fibula are derived from where? Tibia and fibula belong to appendicular skeleton. They will be derived from
plate.
Later on मैं आपको बार-बार याद करवा रहा हूँ. I'm telling you like again and again. First week, second week and third week of development. General embryology. फिर यहाँ से start होता है systemic embryology. Later on हम पढ़ेंगे systemic embryology, serious embryology, cardiovascular system embryology में आपका. In that serious embryology we are going to learn about development of heart. And तब आप मुझे बताओगे, you are going to tell me कि heart will be derived from where? Heart. Come on, cardiac muscle. Come on, my dear brothers. The cardiac muscle. Heart will be derived from where? Splanchnic lateral plate.
Lateral plate.
Not only in my class I'm telling you, even in your university, your college, wherever you are studying, if your professors are asking you, a heart will be derived from where? Tell them confidently, splanchnic lateral plate mesoderm. खत्म कहानी. खत्म कहानी. Understand your point here? So in this manner, you can answer from smooth muscles are derived from where? Smooth muscles are derived from where? Splanchnic. Now I tell you one question that was asked in PG exams. See, that is the advantage of our prophet classes over here. Slowly we are going to give you the orientation of the PG also from you. अब PG exam में कैसे पूछा गया था पता है आपको? सुनिए ध्यान से कैसे अप्लाई करना है. आपको पता है कि wall of the artery में कितने लेयर होते हैं? How many layers are there in the wall of the artery?
Tunica externa, tunica media.
How many layers do you have in the wall of the artery? Come on.
3.
Yes, there are 3 layers. Okay. Tunica externa, tunica intima, and tunica media.
Intima.
आपने kind of this now.
Media.
And यहाँ से अगर मैं आपको सवाल करूँगा, if I ask you one question here, कि tunica media is derived from where? Tunica media will be derived from where? Look at the way how you have applied the concept. Tunica media will be derived from where? Yes.
Artery है.
Splank, no, very.
अब रुक जाओ कैसे? Artery है, smooth muscles. ओह हाँ, क्योंकि smooth muscle है. Smooth muscle. Muscle नहीं है पर it is not under our control.
No, that's really nice. That's really nice. Okay. Splanchnic, yes, lateral plate mesoderm. So, how can you tell us, Anish? How can you tell it's derived from splanchnic? Why? Because tunica media in the artery is made up of smooth muscle fibers. तभी तो arteries contract और relax होते हैं. Vasoconstriction and vasodilation होता है. तो vasoconstriction and vasodilation जो होता है वो तो smooth muscle से होता है. Smooth muscle कौन से form होते हैं? Are you understanding? तो इसलिए मैंने आपको जो आज पढ़ाया है ना, it's not like I'm just giving you a list here. अगर आप ना आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में देखोगे, it will be written like a list. Okay, this is derived from here, this is derived from here. पता नहीं एक लंबा सा लिस्ट होता है. वो लिस्ट देखते ही आप बोलोगे कि नहीं, close the book, embryology read करना है. तो मैं आपको लिस्ट नहीं दे रहा हूँ. I'm teaching you the concept. मैं सिखा रहा हूँ कि सीखते कैसे. अब यहाँ से अप्लाई करते हैं. Keep on applying here. जहाँ स्मूथ मसल है, splanchnic, cardiac muscle है, splanchnic. अगर skeletal muscles है, somatotubule से form. समझ रहे? Sorry, skeletal muscles अगर होगा, paraxial mesoderm से form. So in this manner, I told you the basic concept. Are you understanding my intention here? Are you understanding clarity? And that too, hardly in few minutes we are done with this one. अगर आप ये डायग्राम याद रखोगे, if you remember this diagram here, keep on playing with that. जो भी पूछा जाएगा एग्जाम में आंसर करते जाइए. So me थोड़ा वाला पार्ट है. Are you getting this one here?
Yes, so
come on, my dear friends, are you done?
yes, sir.
Now, once you have understood this part here, sir, we are done with mesoderm. यहाँ planning देखिए, try to understand planning. We are done with this mesoderm वाला part here. Paraxial intermediate. Now, I will tell you one thing in depth. ध्यान से सुनिए. Now, I told you lateral plate mesoderm. In this diagram, this is the last topic. Sir. Last topic. No. Small intestine splanchnic से नहीं. देखो, you are taking me wrongly. मैंने आपको कहा कि splanchnic lateral plate mesoderm विसरा के पास में होता है. विसरा के पास में होता है. मतलब इसीलिए तो उसका नाम क्या है? splanchnic है. ठीक है ना? और ये रेड कलर वाला जो लाइन है वो क्या है? एंडोडर्म है. तो एंडोडर्म के पास में है तो splanchnic फॉर्म होता है. अब आप ये मत समझो कि सर इसी से ही इंटेस्टाइन फॉर्म होता है. ना. Intestines and all those. In general, the entire gut, foregut, midgut, hindgut, the entire gut will be derived from endoderm. तो endoderm से फॉर्म होता है. और ये एंडोडर्म के पास में है. मतलब मतलब इंटेस्टाइन के पास नहीं है, विसरल ऑर्गन्स के पास नहीं है, इसलिए उसका नाम क्या है स्प्लाइनोडर्म। इसी से विसरल ऑर्गन फॉर्म नहीं होते हैं। तो विसरल ऑर्गन्स कहां से फॉर्म हो रहे हैं आपके एंडोडर्म। जो गट है, गट कहां से फॉर्म होगा, जो आपने सवाल पूछा मुझे, वो फॉर्म होता है एंडोडर्म। तो वो मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा कहां पर, सिस्टमिक इम्यूनोलॉजी। ठीक है, विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट गट। गट वे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ लिवर, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्प्लीन, पैनक्रियाज, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, मिड गट, रोटेशन ऑफ गट, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है, तो एंडोडर्म से आता है। आई होप यू गॉट दिस लाइक। नेक्स्ट वन, नाउ द लास्ट एंड फाइनल थिंग दैट इज लेफ्ट आउट राइट नाउ, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो। Lateral plate mesoderm we divide into two parts here, somato and splanchno. Good. But there is a part where it is not differentiated. This part is not differentiated into somato and splanchno here. So therefore, my friend, this undifferentiated lateral plate mesoderm is referred to as septum transversum. This is going to come as a very short note. इसको हम कहते हैं septum transversum. Extremely, extremely important. So the first thing is, what is septum transversum? Study in a simple manner. It is undifferentiated. It is undifferentiated lateral plate mesoderm. Simple. If anyone asks you what is septum transversum, it is undifferentiated lateral plate mesoderm. Lateral plate mesoderm is divided into somatoglurin and splanchnogleurin. The one which is along with the ectoderm, somatoglurin. The one which is along with the endoderm, it is splanchnogleurin. But the undifferentiated part is referred to as septum transversum. And now, my dear friends, what are the derivatives of this one? यही तो आपको आपके यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स में एज अ वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, या फिर वाइवा में पूछा जा सकता है. So what are the there are like 4 derivatives of this. आप सुनिए सर, पठान. Like number 1, septum transversum is the one which is going to form central tendon of diaphragm. Look at the list now. There are like 4 things forming from it. Central tendon of diaphragm. Number 2, it is the one which is going to form the fibrous pericardium. The outermost layer of the pericardium, that is fibrous pericardium. Number 3, it is the one which is actually going to form the stroma of liver. Stroma of liver. And number 4, it is going to form the ventral mesentery of stomach. Ventral mesentery of stomach. ठीक है, या फिर इसी को आपके बुक्स में लिखा जाता है ventral mesogastrium stomach on the actually going to form the
25 पे बंद करते हैं, बैटरी देखता हूँ. So at this settings, कौन सी settings थी? Okay. What should I do? अच्छा, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन चेंज कर सकता हूँ, शेड्यूल कर सकता हूँ, मैं शायद टाइटल भी चेंज कर सकता हूँ, एंड थंबनेल भी कर सकता हूँ चेंज, आई थिंक. राइट, एडिट करते हैं, कैंसिल, चेंज करते हैं. ये done, save, and let's end it. Bye. If you want to end the YouTube, if you keep the live session, then it will be maintained on YouTube. Even if you keep the live session, okay, it will be maintained on YouTube even if you end the session from Prison app. No, I want to end it. Live को करूँगा क्या मैं? 26 पे करते हैं, and bye. बम 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 बम, मेरी आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड